Welcome to the second race of 2001, the Subway 400 at Rockingham. See some of Rockingham's famous information. We'll get ready.
Drivers, start your engines!
Here we go, race 2 of 2001. Starting in the first row again in Trader. You take a look. We have row 3, 4, 5. This time Michael Waltrip starting up pretty high. He did get top 20 last time. Ricky Rudd, as you know, won last week's race. Sure was pretty exciting. Dale Earnhardt and his own teammate starting in the back. Cal Petty, who did not have a lot of hope last week, starting in the back as well. And Jimmy Johnson making one of his first ever starts, starting in back. Jimmy Johnson. This is one of his first starts. He's a rookie. He's fairly new, but he did show some power in ARCA and all that. Let's see, hurry as they go up the green. Ward Burton and them on the outside lane aren't going to be doing too good, it seems. They've already gone low. Here we go. For the Subway 400 at Rockingham. Oh, Michael Waltrip's already wrecked. It's the first lap, and we've already had a crash, it seems. That was pretty crazy. Pace car is out. Michael Waltrip is okay. Let's go back to a lap ago. Because what in the world happened? It was like one of the first two corners. They crashed. What happened to Michael? Let's go watch him. What happened? They came through these corners. 1, 2, 2. They got 3 wide up there. I think it might have been him and Dale Jr. that got together. Let's see. Yeah, Dale Jr. got pushed. John Benson, they both got, and then he goes down and spins. Not too much damage. Oh, him and the 30 RCR car did get together though, and they clipped. So there you go. Oh, and another crash happened up here. What was all that about? Was there just smoke there or what? I don't know. Oh, someone went through the grass, I believe. Yeah, Dale Jarrett. What happened to Dale Jarrett? My gosh, they're getting ruthless this time around, it seems. There he was right there. What happened? He just came up and... Oh, Jeff Gordon. And then... I mean, they came back down and direct. Oh, Elliott Sadler. Holy crap. What in the world are y'all doing today? Oh, no, oh my gosh. Everyone is wrecking. Everyone's just gone mad. Michael Waltrip might want to slow down, use them brakes. Well. Here we go now. And Schrader's still up in the lead. And Hornaday has got to catch up. Michael Waltrip. Dale Earnhardt running in 25th. The next car is in 15th. They did have some bad luck last week, so maybe this will help. Who knows? As you can see, though, the skid marks from that first crash that we just had happen. Pretty bad crashes already. Some engine trouble is out of Bobby Hamilton there in the backstretch. Here we go, going green. Oh, he has a big jump already. My gosh. Running ruthless here. Throwing it down deep into the corners. Oh, Elliott scraped the wall there. Kenny Irwin. There's Jeff Gordon right there. Wow. Steve Park, Dale Earnhardt. Oh. Some people are scraping the wall here. There's Dale Earnhardt. He is driving aggressively. Oh, and another driver just got together there on the front. Dale Earnhardt is going high, which is what's going around Rockingham. Some people have already pitted Dale scraping the wall. There's 15 auto parts. Gosh, they're zooming. They aren't running back. Cal Petty is running pretty good. Let's go check on the leader, shall we? Go Jr. in the wall like that. Leader is Ken Schrader. He got a good bit of laps last week. Seeing a good bit of this week, it seems. It seems, a caution maybe has came out. It does seem a caution came out. So who just caused the caution? Let's go find them. Some drivers are pitting. What just happened though? Everybody was running so good. Don't know. Here's where we are right now, with everybody coming in the pit after only a couple laps, probably due to this crash that just happened. Dale Earnhardt getting back out there. There's Todd Bodine in first. Going green again. Dale Jr. running up in third. Fourth, actually. Okay, Labonte. Jimmy Mayfield's done gone to the outside. So something was going on back there. Go to the corners. Dale Jr. has got some damage to him from that first little fender bender. Oh, they're going like almost 5 wide back there. What are they doing? 4 wide. They are going really fast. Oh, they're getting together. Oh, they're wrecking against Sterling Marlin. Just wrecked with Jeff Gordon along. This is the big one of the day, I believe. caution's out. Sterling Marling doesn't get, but ooh, Jimmy Johnson, when making his first start, that was crazy. And Dale Earnhardt now in 25th. He just had a little fender bender back there. Don't know what that was all about though. I think it was just because everyone was getting so tight together back there. There was really nowhere to go. Let's take a look at that crash again. See, everyone throws it down in the corner really fast and hard. But then they come back up the track. It's here when we have trouble. Ooh, most of the Dodges were involved in this. And it spins them out. Ooh. Yeah. But nothing too much. Now you're caught up to now. Pitting again already. Ford Burton has some damage on his hood. He ain't got no hood. Coming in a almost straight, perfect line. Ricky Rudd has got some damage too himself. And there's 32 cars left in the event. I think we might have some of them on pit road right now, I do believe. Ought to be some on pit road. And we are about to go green again. With Elliott Sadler in first. And here we go. We drop down into turns 1 and 2 again. Come up out of that turn. Because Elliott Sadler is just taking off from the rest of the pack. And dead last, Ricky Rudd, who has had a bad car all week. Ain't been doing too good. A couple other racers are missing hoods too, so yeah, at least he ain't the only one missing a hood. Dale Earnhardt running 25th. They're starting to have some troubles, it seems. Not letting those troubles get him down there. Yeah, Wood Burton missing his hood. Jeff Gordon running in 23rd. There's Cal Petty. Oh, and another wreck. Jimmy Johnson. Jimmy Johnson, Steve Park coming back up the field. We have a roll. A couple rolls have just happened. I believe Dale Earnhardt was just taken out in that roll. So we have some flips. Steve Park, and that was crazy. There's Dale Earnhardt torn up. 2 of the DEI cars have now been torn up into a crash. This team is really trying to win. They've been doing pretty good. Wow. Dale Jarrett tore up. That was crazy. You saw some of them flips there. Let's go back. And let's just take a look at that wreck that we just had happen. Let's come around here. So it started... Oh, I don't even know where to begin. It started here, though. Park was pretty much alright until he was in the way. He hits him. Back up the track. And that is a big crash with Dale Jarrett flipping everywhere. Let's go see if we can get that camera off Dale Jarrett's car, and let's watch that crash again, because my, that was crazy. Here it is. My gosh. Dale Earnhardt back there all tore up. Let's go see what where's the 4 car Kevin LePage? gosh. That's just some heavy hits there that he was taking. Let's go back. Let's try to find like a camera that would have really saw this wreck in the full. But no, Jimmy Johnson was just taken out. Steve Park was definitely in it. Let's go to Kyle Petty. I believe he probably saw a good bit. No, in fact, he got through most of that crash. Let's go back. Bill Elliott probably saw a lot. Oh, yeah, he did, alright. Oh, he was in it. He was in the crash. Okay. Yeah, most of everybody back here was in the wreck. Then you see Dale Jarrett and Steve Park. Oh, he's the one who hit Steve Park. Watch the number 1 camera. What it saw. He went low right here and was almost fine. He was just on the way. He shot back up the track, then it caused its own pile up. Wow. Well, them cars do have some damage. Tony Stewart is currently leading the race. See, some of those in that wreck are back out now or what? Don't know if Dale Earnhardt is going to be out or what. But you saw him, his car was pretty tore up. Lowe's car is back out. Said some people are starting to get back out. That was a crazy crash, though. Ooh. Tony Stewart coming down pits. We are back at Rockingham for the Subway 400. Still doing the pacelifts here. Elliott Sadler in the lead. Dale Earnhardt never really got back out there, we don't think. Some are coming in the pit already, though. Well, this, well, happened, and a lot got took out in this first wreck. Elliott Sadler leads with the restart about to happen. And we're back at the Subway 400 at Rockingham. They are back again. Going really fast around these corners. My gosh. Dale Earnhardt is out of the race officially. They were going to get his car repaired. They never could though. Oh, another wreck. Buckshot Jones. Are they going to call the yellow? They might be calling the yellow. Don't know. His car got back to moving though. They just... We are yellow again from that crash that y'all just saw. Michael Waltrip running in 13th. We almost can't go a single lap without them crashing. He's going to go pit. The 43, however, that Dodge team has been hoping to get a win. Now, goes back in first. They'll be in first this time around. And we're back already, and there's already been another wreck. What in the world? We didn't even have time to get back on the air. But while the commercial break happened, another crash happened. Did they stay green? No, they did not. Man, everyone is getting aggressive. I think Kyle Petty was taken out in that crash too. Where did it start at? That's what I'm curious about. They came into this corner. Our cameras didn't get to catch it. We were off. And then they all just wrecked. Wow. Ooh. Michael Waltrip just got hit pretty bad. My God. Oh my gosh. What is going on today with everybody? Everybody is running all wacky today. I just don't know it. Now they're going to be leaving the pits. My gosh, the leader has no hood. Here we go, we're back at Rockingham. Racing again on lap 45. We've already had some crazy crashes today. There's Kenny Schrader getting through it all. And oh my gosh, again, already another wreck. Did we? Oh, no, he kept going. He kept going. He kept going. I don't think they're going to call the yellow. Michael Waltrip get back out on track. No, here we go. We're wrecking now. Pace car is out. Ken Traders led most of the field today. Gosh. Here we go, going green again, guys. If you want to real quick, guys, I am skipping some of these parts, like cutting the footage and coming back whenever the green happens. Here we go, going green again at Rockingham. Halfway through this race, where a lot of cautions have happened, and all that. There's Jim Spencer. He's able to keep up with no hood. He is keeping up with the pack. Joe Nemechek, I believe, is in the lead right now, and there's already another wreck. Bobby Labonte have gone through the grass. They're coming back up the track. Oh my gosh. They just went down in the grass. Bobby Labonte is back up the track now. Caution does not come out. Mike Skinner is running in 15th. Oh, Terry Labonte. Michael Waltrip has got a lot of damage today. He's able to run up in 11th. It surprises me that he is running that good in the top 10 for how much damage he has gotten today. He's gotten a lot of it from these wrecks and all that. He's starting to get past, though, with all that damage. You can't exactly keep up with the field. Gosh, they're just going wild up there. Dale Jr., though, is running pretty high. And oh, they're all getting bunched up again. Dale Jr. is coming up. My gosh, Dale Jr. is rocketing up the pack. He is showing no fears right now. They have had a pretty bad day here at Rockingham. Dale Earnhardt went to the Infield Care Center. Turns out he does have a broken hand. The steering wheel got jerked really hard whenever that crash happened earlier. That's what we believe it is. That's what we've been told so far. He's alright though. He's over at the pit box. So. My gosh, Dale Jr. is trying to run down them all right now. Just doing his best. They've had a bad day here. The 8 and the 15 are still kicking though, as y'all can see. We have about, I'd say, 40 laps left, roughly. 41 laps left. Here we go. And their lap times are getting faster, and they are starting to go fast. Tony Stewart is in the lead, though. Michael Waltrip, not having a fast car, has dropped back to 20th. Bobby Labonte got into almost a little fender bender earlier. Michael Waltrip, though, is still able... Oh, he just scraped that wall. Not straight, but banged off the wall. Michael Waltrip, though, is still able to show some muscle against Bobby Labonte, who does appear to have some damage. So, a lot of these drivers are missing hoods. They had one crazy crash to go through. Man. And there's Dell Jr. running in third right now. Some picks to win this race were Dell Jr. There's some pretty high picks. Steve Park was a pick, but it seems now he ain't going to win it due to that crash that had happened earlier. Dell Jr. running in third. Elliott Sadler running in second. Tony Stewart running in first. Elliott Sadler is catching up with him a good bit. Man. We might have some lap traffic here. This is when it's going to start becoming effective. Check up on Mark Martin here. Giroud has been slow all day. Mark Martin is able to get a good gain on him. He goes high to try to get around him. Man. Michael Waltrip still running back at 15th. Bobby Labonte's done got past him again. 31 Lowe's cars running in 17th now. I believe Jimmy Johnson is out of the race. There is Terry Labonte running in 9th. Dell Jr. still running in third, we believe. Yep. Ken Trader behind him. John Andretti, 43 car in 6th. If this team has hope to win. There's Dell Jr. Tony Stewart is in second now. Elliott Sadler has gotten by him. There's Bobby Labonte in front of him. Is he going to let him get in the way, or is he just going to cruise right on by him? Let's see. He is going to cruise right on by him. Not letting him get in the way. He's always good at that. Car. Let's get back up. Oh, did have some connection there, some touching going on. And Dell Jr. in third. Bobby Labonte keeps scraping that wall every time he goes by. Don't know what that's all about. Elliott Sadler still in the lead. Elliott Sadler is still in first with around 20 laps to go. Close to that, at least. I believe 25, probably. Would be how many more we have to go. This race, though, has been an interesting one. We're through these laps. Man, some crazy stuff sure was happening. Whole ton of wrecks we had. A lot of leader changes too. Ken Trader was running really top notch in the beginning of this race. And now he has dropped back a good bit, I believe. Let's go to Dale Jr., who is still keeping his... Oh, Dale Jr. running in second now. Okay. Dale Jr. has wanted to get a win at Rockingham. It's been one of his favorite tracks to run at, he says. But he has not been able to get a win here. So, I mean, let's see if Junior can do it. I know there were a couple picks for Junior, but Elliott Sadler still not Elliott Sadler. Oh, there he is, right there. Still maintaining his first place position. With 19 laps to go. Can Dale Jr. make a move, or will he have to pit pretty soon? We don't know. Ken Schrader just slipped by him there. You know what that was all about? Hey, if Elliott Sadler does have to pit and Dale Jr. and Ken Schrader don't, this will be a fun battle to the end. They have been racing pretty clean all day. A couple of fender benders we've had. Michael Waltrip running back in 17th. Labonte will be dropped back now as he exits the pits. Talking about the car was getting overheated earlier from, I think, a fender bender he was in where he had to go through the grass. Henry Stewart has dropped back to 20th. Benson. Here we go, though. And Trader's dropped back. Dale Jr. is in second now, and oh, some smoke. Michael Waltrip spun there. We might have a caution come out. We are going to have caution. Caution is out. What in the world happened with Mikey? Let's go back here a second, guys. he was just laying in the grass. Him and a car did touch. 96 McDonald's Ford scrubbed him out of the wall. He has had a bad run all day. He's been in I think he's been in every single wreck we've had today. He's gotten through them, but he's gone through the grass, I think, at some point today. Or that might have been somebody else. Caution is out. Dell Jr., though. Dell Jr. He has shown that muscle all day. Contrader has gone into the pits. Dell Jr. will be leading the race now, I believe. I do believe, yes, Dell Jr. is leading the race now. Oh no, he's not. Elliott Sadler is still leading it. Okay. I thought Elliott Sadler had gone in. He is now, though. So this will give Junior the chance. If Junior's is Junior gonna pit? I bet yep he is. He had no other choice really though. And Tony Stewart is back up in first. This is gonna be interesting here. We have some super good drivers. Dale Earnhardt Jr. is, I think, back in 10th right now. Bobby Labonte. We have some really good drivers who have shown muscle right now. Running up in a pretty high spot right now. With about 14 more laps to go. Oh, sorry, 13 more laps to go. I think there'll be 12 coming around right now. And we are going green with 12, I think, no, 13 laps to go. 12 in a minute. 12 laps to go. Here we go. Just see how this race goes. Then the 33 is going to go low. John Nemechek is going to the inside. But that doesn't stop Jimmy Spencer from going to the inside and getting around him. He might be getting around him. He has. Tried with Bobby Labonte for a minute. Bobby Labonte might be getting to the lead here. He is. Bobby Labonte is going to go to the lead here. There we go. Oh! Bobby Labonte just suddenly let off the gas there a good bit. Jimmy Spencer, oh, the pace car is out. What is the pace car doing out? What has happened already? Well, he came out right here. That tells me a wreck. Oh, a spin indeed. Something was going. Oh yeah, Michael. Let me tell you, Michael Watrop's probably gonna get in this mode. Michael Wattrop got into it. He's been in every wreck today. Michael Wattrop has just had not a very good day today. What happened though? Oh, he hit that wall and they got together. Dell Jr. did make it through though. Oh my gosh, Terry Labonte had a hard hit right there. Just creates a giant spin. Michael Wattrop, though, beat up after, oh my gosh, Mark Martin getting shoved out of the way by Mike Wallace there. Holy crap. Sterling Marlin, Ricky Rudd, the Dodgers and the Fords and the Chevys have taken a heavy beating today. Dell Jr., though, is in third. Can he win this race? He is wanting to win it. He loves Rockingham. He says he wants to win it. Let's hope he does. And we are green again, ladies and gentlemen. With about 6 laps to go, Dale Jr. is making an aggressive pass on the inside. Dale Jr. was really wanting to win this race. Subway 400, Rockingham is a very fun track to go around, they say. He was really wanting to win it. Can he win it these last couple laps? Who knows? Less than 10 to go. He does have some damage. Elliott Sadler, though, is in the lead a good bit. And he is just going down to the bottom of the track. It's Tony Stewart and them all racing. But Dell Jr. running in second. Can he catch him these last couple laps? 3 laps to go. Oh, some smoke is up here. Don't know what that's all about. No, Junior almost coming on with 1 lap to go. Is the caution out? The caution's out. Oh, what happened? The caution has already happened again. I knew I saw some smoke up here, but something happened. Something happened. Yep. Something happened, alright. Oh, Kurt Busch was involved, too. They just got to... Oh, they got together. He got taken out. With a restart, we'll probably be going into overtime. Wow. Well, I think they're going to end the race over caution. I don't think they're going to be doing any overtime. I think the race is going to end on caution. What a crazy race we've had at Rockingham. Coming in, Elliott Sadler is the winner of the Subway 400 at Rockingham. Hope y'all enjoyed this episode of What If Dale Earnhardt Never Died. Basically the 2001 season, but it's like, you know, Dale Earnhardt's going to be there and all that. And hey, maybe we'll do the 2002 season, and we'll have Dale Earnhardt and Kevin Harvick win together. Who knows? We can do that. And all that. Maybe I'll go to 2003 and we'll do a retirement season or something like that. Who knows? So I hope y'all enjoyed. But this is just the beginning of this channel. So I hope y'all enjoyed this episode. And the next one I think we'll be doing. Next one will be Atlanta. For that's wrong, guys. The Quaker State. That's wrong. I don't know why it's saying that. It's wrong though. It's not correct. So, it's like a mod, I think, or something that's glitched the game out. Because I don't think Quaker State was a thing in 2003. And if it was, sorry, I'm wrong, but I believe, hey, we do have Darlington next, though. Darlington will be after this. We're at Bristol. So, hey, I'm going to try to upload these daily. I'm not going to try to upload them like during I'll upload them at school nights. I'll try to film as many as I can in like one day. But like during school nights, I don't know if I want to actually film a race like this because school's back in session and all that now. I get out of school at 1 o'clock. So since that, I might be able to, you know, come home, film one, then post it. Hopefully I'm going to keep like upload these daily schedule. Like be like a 40 because pretty soon here it's going to be the end of the Cup Series for this season. So, you know what, maybe what I'll do is I'll, like, do the videos and all that, and I'll keep uploading daily till I get to 30. Then we'll slow down on the uploads, because whenever the championship happens, that's going to be pretty exciting and all that. So maybe we'll upload this one day before the championship for the Cup Series. Hope Kyle Larson wins that championship, though. Hope y'all enjoy, and hope y'all enjoyed it, and hope you liked it.